There is no love greater than the love for food. And my God, so true, so true, so true. As a kid, you will eat your food in a way that nobody in the house eats. Sometimes your combinations can be really crazy. But when you are a teenager, you want to show off, you want to tell, oh, I've tried this, oh, I've gone to that place and tried this and all that. But when you are a young adult married, you settle down to eating nice, home cooked. Sometimes you like it spicy, sometimes maybe mild. Now I am at an age where I want to eat healthy. I want to give a food that kids would love to eat, youngsters can show off, and young adults can enjoy it. Dosa, everybody loves it. But today I am going to give a healthy twist to my loving dosa using sprouted beans. Dosa with sprouted beans? Yes, let's do it. Of course, we're going to add rice as if we add it for our regular dosa. Soak it for 2 hours, that should be enough. Now, instead of just urad dal, I have sprouted beans. So, add to this. If required, add little water and make the consistency like the dosa batter. Pour the batter and add salt to taste and mix it well. Perfect dosa batter. Husband is only great. Husband is super when the wife is good. Similarly, dosa is great. Dosa is super when the chutney is good. So let's make this chutney. I have to confess, we cannot make a good wife, but I can teach you how to make a good chutney. Take the peanuts that have been roasted. Add very little of tamarind, cumin seeds, spice it up with green chili, garlic, and top it up with some fried chana dal. Salt is like the gifts you give your wife. You have to keep giving. If you stop, you are in a mess. So add the salt and burr with little water and you have a perfect chutney. Nice crispy dosa with a dipping style chutney. Ding chick, ding chick, ding chick, ding chick. Perfect. If you like onions, you can add some onions. Green chilies if you want it spicy. Ginger. Little bit of oil, not too much. I'm going to grate some paneer. Also some cheese. Kids will love it and it makes this even very tasty. Guys, this is nice, healthy, tasty. Kids would love, teenagers would talk about it and young adults would enjoy. And people like me will say boomba boomba and relish it. Finally, I love this chutney. Lot of chutney. This is the protein rich boomba boomba chutney. And take a piece, the crunchy dosa with cheese, paneer, everything, and dip it in and my God, every bite will remind you the naughtiest kid you were, the brat you are as a young kid, and the sexy guy when you are young. And even now you can be sexy and enjoy every bit of it. My God, there is no love greater than the love for food. And my God, so true, so true, so true.